I'm Max Vanderlinden, Site Manager for New Jersey Food Ingredient Solutions.
I've been with FIS for 11 years. I'm a part of the customer service team. We handle customers on a day-to-day and have a great relationship with our sales reps and vendors to provide quality service in the food, drug, and cosmetic industries.
I've been with FIS for almost 9 years. I work customer service and as well as do some aspects of accounting.
I'm a Food Ingredient Solutions Head Customer Service Representative. I've been with the company for about 8 years. I'm kind of like the first name you see when you send an email or make a phone call, and I like what I do.
Hi, I'm Steve Boschel. I'm in sales for Food Ingredient Solutions on the East Coast. Basically been in the food industry about 39 years. I'm technically trained, but I've been on the commercial side for quite some time and enjoy working with customers on new projects and teaching them how to use our colors.
My name is Michelle Lake. I've been with the company for 8 years. I'm the quality manager here, so I'm responsible for all the quality programs in the company, and I enjoy working for FIS.
I've been with FIS for 9 years. I am the operations supervisor. My responsibilities are overseeing shipping, receiving, production, and maintaining proper inventory of raw materials, packaging, and other items that the company uses.
We look forward to doing business with all of you.